Hello viewers, hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So this is the second part of chapter number 6, that is seeds, structure and germination. And here I am going to discuss what are the favorable conditions for the germination. So water, temperature and oxygens are the most favorable conditions. So these three conditions should be provided in a suitable amount for the proper growth in their seasons, or if a plant is an annual plant, or if it is growing throughout the season. So conditions of water, temperature and oxygen should be suitable. So why water is important? Because for imbibition, as we had already seen, that seed swelling and rupturing of seed codes, the water is the most important source for the germination, because whenever we are picking seeds from their dormant phase and sprouting them, so before putting them into the soil bed, we have to keep the seeds into the water, or we have to soak them in the water, so that the seed coat gets ruptured for 24 hours, or whatever seed it is, the time it requires for imbibition. So that process is known as imbibition. And secondly, water is also responsible for the chemical reactions, mainly for the photosynthesis. Next is the temperature. Now temperature should be in an optimum range, and too high and too low can disrupt the growth of plant. Next is oxygen. So oxygen is again important, because every plant needs energy for cell growth and division process. So that energy is mainly coming from the source of oxygen. So here are the experiments, and the experiments are in a conclusion form. So I want before understanding these experiments, I would like you to read the experiment which are in your textbook, because this is a concluded part of those experiments, and it is a kind of revision thing for you. So let's start with water. Now why water is important? The observation from the experiment comes like seeds within wet cotton wool will germinate. Again, this tells about the imbibition process and the results that shows water necessary for germination. Temperature. So the two beakers in which the seeds are kept, the normal temperature, the beaker which is kept in normal temperature will germinate, and which is kept in the refrigerator, the growth rate gets slow. So the slower rates in cool temperature shows that the normal temperature range for the plant is required. Next is oxygen. Again, water, optimum temperature, and H2O tube, which is helping in release of oxygen into the beaker, and seed germination can be seen. So this H2O tube and placed into the beaker, basically this H2O tube is providing oxygen for the growth. That tells that how oxygen is important. So oxygen is to respire, and it's an important source of plant growth. Now this is the fourth experiment, which is the 3 bean seeds experiment. Now I want you to observe and give the results in the comment section. So this is all from this video. I hope you are able to understand this chapter easily, and if you want more and more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share it, whosoever you know, your friends, your siblings who are preparing for biology subjects. And I am also providing lectures for class 10th, 11th and 12th as well. So if you have any doubt, any query, you can write it in the comment sections. Even you can write or give your suggestions in the comment section, and you can also follow me on my Instagram page. Thank you for watching.